Good afternoon, my dear students. So today is 15 October. Today is 15 October 2021, Friday. So on the last class we have discussed up to exercise 10.4 book may nagreka 10.4 book to loina gan taramane kale. So far none of you has raised any questions so far. Question anta hangaktra na book to loina hiramane kale ka. So my humble request to is one of you is that kanagumna khangda kotaba leiragadi adu nakoida kai haninge khangda singdo dum hanga uka kaisu kaiba leite adu hanjana hai only few students are asking their questions ka koi question khadam hang basem tangi hai tare ka unna kharaga hangna wana sika sedana today we will be going ahead with some new theorems anobot theorem kharat naina senga. So first of all, today we will be discussing about the theorem 10.8. And there was 10.8 na hai se kaino yang senga. So this is theorem 10.8. So theorem 10.8 na hai se kaino matanda circle ama lai rebu ka. So let's take it here. Okay, this is the circle. Here we take an arc, not we take a chord. Chord, I'm allowing the center lady. Center is with the chord, we form an angle of the semica. And high the angle cigar, high the chord, or the remaining part of the circle, and it's gonna conduct arc sinoka. So the same way angle cigar and your lessons, they put a theorem 10.8 and a policy. So the very high. So the same way to suppose let's name this angle sorry. A we have a arc arc in the center the angle O is semica. Then the same arc on the remaining portions of the circle we form an angle C. How if angle C set? It will be 2 times of the angle of the it will be half of the angle formed at the center. Center is same angle sigi and height we gonna have. So right here the statement is an angle formed by a chord by an algebra or algebra at the center is double the angle it forms on the remaining portions of the circle. So here, angle AOB will be 2 times of angle ACB. Ko arc the come no AB have armal and track. After center angle or semi the on the remaining portion of the angle that's the angle C semi an easy relation to Nika. Television. Chepromantor Shego. Construction the draw XC through O the power of the career X here belan me. Ega. This is Nika. Then, Sideno, Siga, Kaitare, they are the radius of the same circle of the length manarani, and this angle will be equal to the manarani. So, Eduna Pramantar Puta Yemasino in triangle OAC. OAC of triangles the canal area. OA will be equal to Canano OC Madam Carino say radii of the same circle Natrosiba. And there was a other triangle number the side any mana target the angle opposite to them are equal, so equal and hydra. And this implies angle OAC will be equal to angle ACO. You know, opposite angle equals opposite angle sing. Then that is and Mandari when we consider triangle AOC, consider matamda this XOA becomes an external angle or another. External angle they call external angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles hydra and a stay kemula. Then in triangle OAC the angle XOA will be equal to sum of OC plus ACO. I think I can answer K therefore this will be 2 times XOA will be equal to K plus K. That becomes vice K. So we can try it now. So one is similar. Yeah, that's it. Ada video. Similarly, on the other side, angle canano XOB will be equal to 2 times of angle. She said, not even talking here. She don't be a trap. They can allow people say angle BCO. That is C the Nuna. No, I never see like yours. Canalani AOSCO, the lower Sicoto. The lowering color, they go some 1 and the lowers. They go some 2 and the lower. नीचे प्लस तो सर के फंगाने that will become angle AOB तो मैं इसका मतलब को चला के फंगे से ACO plus BCO कई तारा तो बा that becomes angle ACB कैसा अंगद रस्सी पर क्या दाव के ना किस बना के दर से here ऐका किसमें से चले यार बस है कि नेक्स्ट डे हम कहता बता theorem 10.9 nó mua gì xíu theorem 10.9 nó cái hai mu angle in the same segments are equal है नहीं का so theorem 10.9 ले लेगा here तो here angle का नाम से A will be equal to angle B क्या दाबस पा सी के दिखे जी के देयो दे आर सर्कल सी के आर्क अमन एंगल से बुका हाई बा आर्क सी ने के दौरे on the same segment of संगल साइड तो पुल लाइट्रा एंगल A का एंगल B का से they are on the same segment का समान segment लाइगा दी angle measure between them will be equal है बने यार एक सीमा हंगे निका सी प्रूफ तो बकी दी कोई ना तो वो तो तुम याव रो बनी के यानी याव रे से सेंटर से ले नहीं ना ट्रा सेंटर से मैं एंगल डबल वही है कि ट्रा अतोले कंपेयर तो तुम यार निका यार तो सीमा सीमा यार का देखिए अपन 10.10 ना वो ये जो साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल के वो ये ऐसे उनका the 2 points which are on the same segment and have the same angle with a chord circle, then the points are concyclic happening. And that was a circle seems to get the point smena. As you do some man, I do any column car. I should have gonna go with you. The point number later, the point number later, the point number later, the point number later. See point is a lower car. See point is now. See the labor angle and is here. See I will see angle is a man. I got the see point A ne, B ne, or C ne, D ne. See point where is here. They will be lying on the same circle happening. Here angle A is equal to angle B, hence single like and sepsis. Yeah, single cell. Kasi ma ke last yung mga sige na tira mo katang lagi sa tuga ay ang class na exercise pa ika cyclic quadrilateral synchronization. It is a quadrilateral in which all of four vertices lies on the same circle, then quadrilateral is kasi ma as you choose some money to figure the amount. Therefore, we're going to get the answer. Single cell lastly cycle quadrilateral property tang kahai ge ka anduga solution se lo sim ke arbe ma ya itu tu ka se ai si di kitang kan ngang dra bani ka to to re makan kelas ta padun nai na siu ka ya da tu dengan sang si di lo shala sika okay then see you all in the next class okay bye bye